Pythagorean theorem, yes? Any guess how to spell it? Okay. So basically there's only one formula that you need to know. It's the a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then basically each angle represents a side of a right triangle. So let's draw a normal one like this. The way you know it's a right angle is there's a little square in the bottom corner, or in the corner. And then for these right triangles, it doesn't matter if it's flipped. It can be sideways, it can be that way, it can be upside down. As long as you got this angle right here, you're going to use this theorem right here. So this is A and B and C. These two right here are interchangeable, which means it doesn't matter which is which. That could be A, that could be B, doesn't matter. But this one right here, the long side opposite of the right angle is always C, always, 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 always. And then this long angle right here is called the hypotenuse. Ever heard that before? Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. So basically, what you're going to do on these triangles, you're going to have two of the sides already, and then you're going to have to find the missing one, plug it in, and solve the problem. So I'll give you an example first. That's what tends to work best. So I'll leave this up here for you. Okay. So the first one we'll do like that. 8, 10, 10, and C. So then we'll start with the original formula, always. And then your teachers on these ones always want to see your work, even though you probably could skip some steps, but as you get to the bigger numbers, it's going to be more difficult to skip steps, so we're just going to go from the very beginning.
Okay.
Okay. So
8 to 64.
Okay, so we'll label this one A and this one B, but obviously it really doesn't matter either way. You can do it either way. Okay, so we'll plug in the 8 for A, because it's right here. So we'll go 8 squared plus 10 squared is C squared, because we still don't know what this angle is right here.
You square the answer.
What's that?
You square the answer or not?
No, you're gonna end up doing a square root. I'll show you in a second. So what's 8 times 8?
64.
Yeah, 64.
100
64 plus 100
equals C squared.
equals C squared. Yeah. So 100 plus 64 is
164.
Yeah.
And square root it.
Yeah. So it goes C squared, and then to get rid of the square over here, you got to square root both sides. And then I'll have you do that in the calculator because I have no idea what that is.
I don't know. Do it.
Here you go.
Second.
Yeah, second, and then
X1 or that carrot thing.
It's this one right here. I think it's the pi one, isn't it? Let me see it.
Wait. 1, 6, 4. Second.
Oh no, you gotta do the square root sign first. You gotta go, so you're gonna go second, and then this one right here, the little x squared, and then you're gonna go 1, 6, 4 equals, and then just go to the tens place. You only need one after it. So what's the answer?
12.8.
Yep. So you go C equals 12.8. And the thing you gotta remember when you're finding the hypotenuse on the side right here, it's always got to be bigger than the other two numbers. If it's ever smaller than either of these two numbers, you know you did something wrong. Always. It's got to be bigger. But we'll get into problems where you got to find the other ones too. So we'll erase this. I'll just erase the numbers. We'll leave the same triangle. Yeah.
Or you do 3, I guess.
No, it's okay. We'll do it this way. So we'll go 14 down here, 17 on the C, and then we'll leave A over here. Okay, so now you have your hypotenuse already, but you gotta find this one right here. So we'll do the same thing. Start off with the formula. B squared equals C squared.
Okay.
Okay, so what am I gonna plug in for A?
I don't know.
Nothing. Nothing at all. We're gonna leave it just the way it is.
Okay.
How about for B?
B, which one's B? I'll say 14 is B.
Yeah, so B is 14 squared equals, and then what's C?
17.
Yeah, we're gonna go 17 squared. So we'll solve this, so we're gonna leave the A squared because we still don't know what it is. And then what's 14 squared?
Well, I know what 17 squared is. That's
Just type it into your calculator,
Two
try
hundred
it out.
eighty-nine. W squared is 289.
Okay. So 289.
And then, oops. 196, isn't it?
Okay, so we'll go 196. Okay, so what we're gonna wanna do, we wanna get the A on this side by itself. So what we're gonna have to do is subtract the 196 from both sides right here. You can put a line there if you want to, but
Okay.
you don't really have to. So we're gonna equal minus 196, which is just 393. So A squared equals 93. So now what do we gotta do to get rid of the square?
Square root it?
Yep, square root it, good. So we're gonna do that to both sides, and then that will leave you with A equals
9.6.
9.6. Good.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, we'll just do one more. I'll flip a triangle though, a little bit, just for challenge sake. Okay, we will do this one.
See? I know what I'm doing.
Okay, you wanna come up and do this one?
Not really.
No?
Not.
Yeah, just do it, come here.
Okay. Brain this.
Bring her on up. So yeah, just start with the formula at the very beginning and then just plug her on in. Okay, don't skip a step, plug them in first before you solve it. So you're gonna go, A is, sure, that works. 14, yep, good.
And then.
Okay. So now,
Yeah, square root it, don't I?
no, you gotta add these two together first.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, so you're gonna add these two together. Okay, you got 452 equals C squared. Okay, yeah, and then you're gonna take the square root of that, of 452. Yep, so 21.2, and then you're gonna know that's the right answer because it's bigger than both of these two. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good, there you go. You can go sit down. Looks like you got it pretty good. So here you go. I'll just give you this assignment and finish it up.